Hello, this is Geometry, Topic 7-1, over arcs, semicircles, and central angles. So let's go ahead and talk about what these are. So an arc is a part of a circle. And this part that I'm shading in a little bit darker, that is an arc. It's part of the outside of a circle. Now, to make an arc, we generally need what's considered to be a central angle. Okay? It's an angle with its vertex at the center of the circle and separates it into two arcs, which are the minor arc and the major arc. So if we have our circle, we have the minor arc, which is an arc whose measure is less than 180 degrees. So this is A, B, and C. We would call this arc AB with a little curve over the top of it. Okay. A major arc would be the arc whose measure is larger than 180. This is A, B, C. And that is some point D. We would call this A, D, B. So, the minor arc is anything less than 180 degrees. We only need two letters. For a major arc, it's more than 180 degrees, and we know it because it has three letters, the two on the end and the one in the middle. So that's our terminology. We're going to go ahead and find out some information about these. But first, let's make sure we can name them. Our central angle would be angle LEY, with a minor arc of LY, and a major arc of LUY. Minor, major, minor arc, major arc. Just want to make sure that you understand that. Now, we have a theorem, which is the sum of central angles, which basically says that there are 360 degrees in a circle. So if we add all the central angles, then we should get 360. Arcs are measured by the central angle. So these are actually two separate points. There are 360 degrees in a circle is one point. The second thing is that the central angle equals the arc. So the measure of angle PCM is 110 degrees, because it tells us right there. So the measure of arc PM is also 110 degrees. Now PNM, that would be 360 minus 110, which is 250 degrees, because it is all of that. Now, what kind of arc is PM? It is a minor arc. And how do we know? Because we only use two letters. That's how we can tell the difference between a minor arc and a major arc, is whether we use two letters or three letters. Now, we also have something called a semicircle. Label these with capital letters. A semicircle is an arc whose measure is 180 degrees. And we name it just like we do a major arc. Okay? So semicircles are named the same as a major arc. All right. Let's go ahead and take a look at example number 3. Now, we've told that AEN is 18 degrees. JN is a diameter, which means that E is the center. And JES is 90. Well, the arc AN will be the same as the central angle, so it is also 18 degrees. JA, that would be 180 minus the 18, which gives us 162. And then JAS, okay, we know that it's got to be all of this because of the way it's named, would be 180. Now, if this is 90, that means this must also be 90. So 180 plus 90 equals 270. And so, quite simple, finding the measure of these angles. We just look at the interior angles and go from there. All right, let's see if we can put a little bit more of this together. For example, number 4. This says that FD is tangent to circle O, and based on the angles measures given, we want to find all of these. Well, if this is tangent and this is a radius, that means that this is 90 degrees. So let's go ahead and go from there. Well, DOF, well, that's 38. This is 90. There's 360 degrees in a circle. 90 minus 38 equals 52. I know that because if this is 90, then these two have to add up to 90. So this would be 52. So EOA, well, let's figure out what that is. If this is 90, this one's 45, this one's 45, this one's 85, this is 52. There are 360 degrees in a circle. So we add them all up. 45, 90, 85, and 52. Equals 272, so 360 minus 272 gives us 88. So that this is 88 degrees. We want to know what AB is. Well, AB measures the same as this, so it's going to be 45. AD, we know it's the minor arc, so it's going to be the 88 plus the 52. Because it's going to be this. That gives us 140. AC, well, it's going to be 45 plus 90. Which is 135. BC, we know that one's 90. ADC means we add all these up. So 88 plus 52 plus 85 equals 225. ACD, add all these up, so that would be 45 plus 90 plus 85 equals 220. ED, well, that would be 52. And AE would be 88. All very simple. We just pull from the central angles. We add or subtract as needed. We've got one more set of examples. Example number 5. We're just given this. We need to find each of the following. Well, first off, I don't have any actual numbers. I just have variables. But I do know that there are 360 degrees in a circle. So 3x plus 15 plus x plus 4x plus 2x plus 15 equals 360. 3, 4, 8, 9, 10x plus 15, 15 makes 30, so 360. Subtract 30, 10x equals 330, x must equal 33. So that means that this is 33. 4 times 33 is 132. 2 times 33 plus 15 is 81. And 3 times 33 plus 15 is 114. Now that we've got all of that, let's see if we can answer our questions. Well, AOB is 33. BOC, 132. COD, 81. AOD, 114. And so, that is this lesson. It is very simple. Biggest thing to know is what is an arc, what is a major arc, and the measure of an arc is equal to its central angle. And there are 360 degrees in a circle. So good luck on your assignment and have a good day.